Northair chest freezer, 3.5 cubic feet with removable basket. Northair equates spacious with compact, lightweight, and easy to move in a mere 3.5 cubic feet of chest freezer. The 7-gear adjustable temperature control lets you decide between cool, cold, and frozen. Indicator lights tell you that the Northair is running properly and holding temperature. The high-quality 38 dB Whisper-Quiet Compressor is made with pure copper wire to extend the life of the chest freezer. A balanced hinged door holds in place at 45 and 90-degree angles, so you're in complete control of loading, unloading, and rotating your food items. The energy-saving and environmentally friendly interior is protected with a high-grade embossed aluminum to keep food frozen and fresh. Within 24 hours, the Northair uses a mere 0.45 kilowatt-hours to reach maximum freeze temperatures between 6.8 degrees Fahrenheit to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. To keep the chest freezer at capacity, the included removable wire basket slides back and forth or can be used to simply transport frozen foods and beverages into the kitchen. At 50 pounds, the Northair chest freezer measures 21.2 by 21.8 by 30.9 inches, runs on 115 volts and 60 watts, and is compact enough for an apartment, office, living room, or extra freezer space in the kitchen. Available in black or white. Now for a few pros. Highly energy efficient. Pure copper wire cooling system. Super compact size with high performance. Now for a couple of cons. No customer support information and no warranty information.